So we'll just take a quick look around this so you guys can see. As you can see, I bought a new chair. So that's a Hammock Savannah, I think it was. My other chair, I've given it as a Klaus, which was the Nature Hike. I think they called it the Moon chair. It's a good chair, but I seem to have ripped and break everything. Got that one fixed, but by the time that was fixed, I'd bought this one because it's rated a lot heavier and I'm fat. Anyway, so the standard tree straps that we used, I've ordered the whoopee straps, they just haven't come yet. I do want to use whoopee straps and everything. A bit of sun there, I'm sorry about the sun coming through. This is what I did like. I haven't seen this pattern, this digital camo pattern, on any of the videos that I've seen. So yeah, I think I'm quite lucky to get that. Inside, plenty of pockets. Pocket for my phone, pocket in the back, a big one, another big pocket down the side. There's the ridgeline. I've bought the ridgeline lights, which are going to be going along there. In Vietnam, everything takes ages to come. Exactly the same pockets. This side, telephone one, another pocket down this side, big pocket at the back. And they're actually two pockets. They're two separate pockets. They're vented at the back here. Yeah, the two structural bars either side are really the only structure what's in it, and the mattress. This is the mattress that came with it is the R value, I think it's 5.5. The R value mattress that I'm getting for the Spectre is only a 3.5 because it's hot weather here, it's not cold. But yeah, last night I slept in it just with the mosquito screen zipped down, but if you want you can guy this out either side and have, you know, in what they call porch mode, and yeah, when you get in it, it shades you from the sun, it gives you a bit of room, sleep underneath it, give you a good bit of airflow. But I just threw it over because I thought we were going to have some rain last night, and I didn't want to get caught out and put it in store mode. On the video you'll see it did rain and it was ever so windy yesterday, massive thunderstorm, and I hid away inside it in store mode, kept me absolutely bone dry. I was just, the quality of things we've got here, yes I do have an MSR tent, but the quality of materials on this is very, very good. The fly, the rain fly, the quality of that rain fly is crazy nice, and the way it sheds water is even better than my MSR tent. The only thing I'll say is just the mattress that held us back, and now we've got that mattress sorted out, we're all good for a go. So yeah, I'll get it down, put you on time lapse, get it taken completely down, rolled up and put away, and you can see it takes minutes to take down, and this will be the first time of me taking it down, so bear with me. I think it actually took me about 7 minutes to put up, and I've only ever watched like 1 or 2 videos. But yeah, that is the Haven Hammock XL, the very first Haven hammock in Vietnam. No one has one of these, and we have this one, and I will also have a Spectre. So the Spectre is on its way, but this is the first one that showed up all the way from the States, and the Spectre is coming all the way from Australia. Let's get you on a time lapse while I take it down.